Hey, Bob, look here.
Okay, how are we missing? Are we missing anybody?
Wow, that was a drencher.
That's quarter size hail.
Everyone all right? Got your eyes?
This we heard it coming. It come like a freight train, and boom, it hit us.